We live in a tech-savvy world. Brands, networks, media, everyone wants our attention. And our mental health suffers from it, but Apple has come out with a way to help us out. Thank you for all the support on my EDC video and all the support prior to making these videos what they've become. Let's grow this channel. I see right now that 97% of my viewers on my videos aren't subscribed to my channel, so why don't you hit that subscribe button and we can continue to have conversations and just talk about tech. Focus came out with iOS 15 in September of 2021, and it was a featured highlight when iOS 15 came out. For me at first it was intimidating. It took time to learn, and it took a lot of time to learn and a lot of time to actually get it right. But what's important is finding out how it works for you, the user. As productivity is how something works for you, I want you to take this video with how it works for me and try to use it in a way that will work for you in the long run. And make sure you follow along. Chapters will be listed down below so you can skip around if you want to, go back if you want to, and just go to a section you're looking for. So what is Focus? It's a new feature that can filter notifications and apps and home screens at any given time, and it's based on what you want to see and when you want to see it. First, we have allowed contacts, and with allowed contacts you choose what contacts you want to come through your phone. You can specifically choose individual people, you can choose your favorites, you can go ahead and choose anyone you want that's allowed to get through your phone in these specific focus times. But if someone really needs to get a hold of you and they call multiple times, it can still get through, so people are not locked out of getting a hold of you. So allowed apps is just like contacts. It's the apps you're allowed to use during these focus times. For example, if you're in work focus, you'll have apps like Slack and your mail and your calendar come through. But when you're in personal time, it allows your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, and those social aspects of your life to come through. You can choose within each focus mode. And with status, you can choose whether or not people know you're in a focus mode. And when you're in that focus mode and you choose the status on, it says, Joseph has notifications silenced right now. Or it says nothing at all and it can normally come through. But you can still get through as you can push your notifications through, and they'll see it when they see it, but you can still push it through. And then the most intimidating part to me was the home screen and how you can customize the home screen. That was the most intimidating and time-consuming part for me. First, you create the screen you want to add, and you just create those within your home screen, and you create what screens you want. You can make as many as you'd like. Then you choose custom pages and the pages you'd like to be shown. Basically, your OG home screen will have all these options of all of these focus mode home screens. And think of it as a bank of all of them, where then you can go into separate focus modes and you can customize which screens you want to what focus modes. And then on your home screen, when everything's gone and you're not in a focus mode, you can just hide what you want and show what you want. On the lock screen, you can choose if you want to see notifications come through. And what's cool is, if you choose them to come through, they'll just come through like they normally do. But if you hide notifications, there's a little section in the notification that says notifications in work mode or in early morning mode, and it has a list of those notifications as a drop-down menu. So the second you get out of the focus mode, it gives you all those notifications like the focus mode was never on, which is a pretty cool way of organizing it. And then schedule and automation. This is where Apple is Apple and they get you with it. You can set time for specific focus modes. So if you want a focus mode when you wake up from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m., you can set that. You can have it location based. So like for me, I have work turn on when I show up at my two workplaces, and right there, the second I pull into my spot, I'm in work mode for the rest of the day until I leave. And then you can have it app based. Like for me, I have a mindfulness focus, and whenever I open my Calm app, it goes right into the mindfulness focus and silences everything, silences all notifications, and lets me just focus on meditating. And then smart activation, and this is where Apple's really Apple, and they learn times and places you go to special things, and it starts to mold into it, and it learns where you're having special focus moments. And then the ecosystem, once again, if you set it on your iPhone, it goes throughout all your devices, your iPad, your MacBook, even your iPod Touch, your Apple Watch, all of them. You're in work everywhere. You're in personal everywhere. You're in mindfulness everywhere. But what's also cool about focus modes is like when I go to my driving mode, it automatically goes to it when I plug my car into Apple CarPlay or I'm in a Bluetooth in the car mode. And it automatically goes into driving mode and basically disables everything I can do for safety on the road. It's pretty cool. It's pretty safe. And my focus modes: work, sleep, mindfulness, driving, early morning, and fitness. Those are my focus modes, and those are the ones that I've chose to best suit me and my lifestyle and to make my life the most productive it can be. So my final thoughts. Focus modes, they're intimidating at first. They take some time to get used to. But if you take a good 30 minutes to an hour and you really figure out how you want to set up each focus mode and what you want each home screen to be and how you really want focus modes to work for you, then it's a no-brainer that you should take the time to do it because it really makes a difference and really keeps you away from your phone for the times you want to be away from your phone and on your phone for the times you want to be on your phone. And then why not? It's 2022. Let's be productive in 2022. It's the start, so let's try some new things. I appreciate the support I have through my channel with all of you and all of the comments and questions that come through. I love answering them. I love interacting. So let's grow this channel. Let's hit that subscribe button and let's get these followers up and grow this community even more. Until the next video, thanks for watching.